Let's do some angle circle questions. We'll start with this first one here. What you want to do in all these problems is look at the location of the vertex of the angle you are trying to find. And we are trying to find the measure of angle EVT. Where is the vertex of this angle in relation to the circle? Is outside the circle. If you refer to your note sheet, what we discovered was, or said, was the measure of the angle you're looking for is equal to 1/2 the difference of the big arc minus the smaller arc. Okay, so angle V is what we're trying to find. So the measure of angle V is going to be equal to 1/2 of the measure of the big arc, and 131 is larger, so it will be first. And then we're going to take away the smaller intercepted arc, which is 61. When you subtract those, you will get 70. And 1/2 of 70 is 35 degrees. So that is the measure of angle V. All right, so that's what happens when it's outside the circle. All right, so let's look at another one. This one's inside the circle, but it's not at the center. All right, the center may be around about here, but this is not at the center. So we're trying to find the measure of angle TRS. According to our note sheet, we said that the measure of this angle would be equal to 1/2 of one of the intercepted arcs plus the other. Now we are talking about this arc and this arc. All right, so if you look at where the chords are touching the circle here, this arc TS is formed or in between the endpoints of that angle where it touches the circle, vice versa over here where URB is. If we were given these other arcs over here, we would need to do something else. But we're good. So let's do a little math here. So the measure of angle, well, it should say angle TRS here, should be 1/2 of one arc. Now, it doesn't matter on the order here, but just to be consistent, we'll do the larger one first. So we're going to add those together, 135 and 73. That gives us 208. So the measure of angle TRS is equal to 1/2 of 208. So divide that by 2 in your calculator, and that's 104. So that's the measure of our angle there. All right, so when it's outside the circle, it is a subtraction of your arcs. Inside the circle, and not at the center, it is going to be add your arcs divided by 2.